Hi everyone, it's Marin with 321 Strong, and today we're going to be rolling out our rhomboids or mid-back with our 321 Strong foam roller. Placing the foam roller on a flat, even surface, we're going to be sitting in front of it. Now what I like to do is lean back into it like we're in a nice sit-up position, but it's in the middle of our back. From here, we're going to cross our arms over our chest, and we're going to gently lift our hips off the ground, pushing in through our heels. We're going to roll down kind of to the top of our lower back, and then we're going to roll up to our shoulder blades. And we're going to continue this nice small roll in the center of our back, up and down for 10 total repetitions. If you do feel like there's a hot spot in any portion, you can stop there for a minute and breathe for 30 seconds before continuing on your roll for 10 total reps.